गाड़ी को परचेज करना चाह रहे हैं या इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहे कि हमें गाड़ी को परचेज करना चाहिए।
कैसा लग रहा है? आपकी घोड़ी का क्या नाम है? ओह, आपकी दोस्ती हुई है घोड़ी के साथ? दोस्ती की आपने? बताएं, वीडियो हमें बताएं, नाम क्या है घोड़ी का? ऊँचा उतारो मास्क। मुस्कान। ऐसे करो उसको, ऐसे थोड़ा उसको ऐसे करो, पूछो उनसे। मैं आप ऐसे आप मुस्कान को ऐसे प्यार कर सकते हैं, ऐसे हाथ उसको पूछो उनसे, वो बुरा तो नहीं मनाएगी? उसको हाथ तो लगाओ, उससे बात करो थोड़ी सी।
बाजी आगे हो जाए ना, आस्ता आस्ता चलेगी तो वीडियो बन जाएगी।
प्लीज नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, छोटी बातों पे डरते नहीं है। वाह, इतनी खूबसूरत घोड़ी है, देखो। Wow. जो आप बस को शुक्रिया और मुस्कान को खुदाफिज करो।
मैं उसको हाथ लगा सकती हूँ?
हाँ, हाथ लगाओ। ये क्या खाती है? थैंक यू।
50 रुपया में।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, एक सेकेंड, सॉरी। कितने पकड़ो, डोंट क्लिक प्ले। Right there?
Yes.
How did we get to the horse? What did we come here for?
To give rides for the kids because the park is closed.
Yeah, Japanese park is closed, so we instead got some horse rides with a beautiful jagah. Oh, the खूबसूरत घोड़े. Everyone is getting on a horse.
Is this a horse pool? Is a horse pool?
घोड़े पे नहीं बैठना। ओह,
I was very scared at first, but now I'm not scared.
scared of this animal? Why?
No, I was scared I will fall.
I mean, why? It's such a
down.
beautiful, calm animal. Why would anybody be scared? Batao.
No, I was scared that I would trip over myself, not the horse tripping me over. I was scared that
How?
I would trip
But
over.
if there's the person who handles the horse. They know, and they will stop you from falling. So anyway, how was the experience?
It was very fun. We went to the gate all the way at the back, and then we came back. I walked from that other gate. The guy wasn't holding the horse, and I was riding it myself. And everybody thought that I was riding the horse on my own, and those guys and that guy who's actually the horse guy, he was just, it looked like he was surprised and all that. And he looked like I was riding the horse on my own.
Great. Let's go have a cup of tea.
I want to have popcorn.
Okay, let's do that. Chalo.